Hey guys, today I have another gun, which is whatever it's called, like the ACSHOT. It's not a Nerf. It's like, it says like complete there. So I don't know why. It's like this one has two modes, so you can see this one and that one. The one at the bottom there is for water, like, and this is like the tennis ball or something. This gun is basically like a normal gun, like the bottom part here, then you just click the button and I'll show you. The wall came out, so you can just put it back in, recock it, you shoot. So this is quite good, but compared to the Nerf Volt, which I have, there's also an Elite 2.0. This one has lasers. I turn this on. You can see the red dot. Turn it off, it's on. The button is basically over here, like where you want to press is like you should go like up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You see, like this one has like, lasers, but like the lasers are not so accurate, and like it's kind of weird why you have those holes. This is where you cock it. Just pull it back here. Then you shot. And that's it today. That's it for today, guys. Bye.